First, create a short MP4 animation video, download it to a USB drive, and then plug it into your head unit. Open the Boot Animation app. From the drop-down menu, click on Menu. A window will pop up on your head unit. Simply enter the password, Topway. Now you can pick the animation video you just created and set it as your boot animation. Once that's done, restart your head unit and see if the boot animation shows up properly. This video where I'll show you how to set an image as your boot logo. First off, keep in mind that the size of the car logo image should be 720 by 1280 pixels. Next, copy the image to a USB flash drive. Then, plug the USB drive into your Android head unit. After that, open the Settings app, go to Factory Settings, and enter the password 123456. Navigate to the Logo Settings item once you're in the Settings interface. And now, you're all set to pick your favorite image and set it as the boot logo.